Good morning, Honey Grove High School, here with your favorite anchorman.
And I'm here too. We have a few great stories for you today, like the Beta Convention.
The Beta Convention. Our Beta Club did very well at State Convention this year. And a big kudos to Jay Caffey for elect for Vice President.
Isn't that exciting? You know, Ben, Valentine's Day is right around the corner. Do you have anything special planned?
Nothing special right now. But now to Alexis with a special Valentine's Day report.
Hi, my name is Alexis, coming to you from Honey Grove High School, and I'm here to remind all of you that tomorrow is Valentine's Day. This holiday is special to all who have a boyfriend or girlfriend, partner or spouse, and celebrating their love for one another. I am here with Sebastian. Let's ask him about his Valentine's Day plans. Have you ever celebrated Valentine's Day before?
Once in my life.
If you were to get your Valentine something, what would you get?
Roses, chocolate, stuffed teddy bear, and a card.
Those are some really great options. So be sure to have your gift ready by tomorrow to surprise your Valentine. That's it for today. Back to you, Ben and Coleman.
Valentine's Day sure is looking exciting. Make sure to get that special someone a special something.
Do you know what you're going to wear for your special Valentine's date?
Oh, I don't.
Well, I know that Alatiana and Tiana have special guests with some great fashion tips.
Oh, really?
Hi there, Honey Grove High School. I'm Tiana Brigham.
And I'm Tiana Cooper. Today we have guests Callie Coleman and Alyssa Lane to ask them some questions.
So, Alyssa, what is your go-to outfit for Valentine's Day?
Probably a dress, heels, and nice accessories.
How does what you're wearing affect your confidence?
For me, if you feel like you look good, then you're going to have a better attitude throughout the day and your confidence is really going to be boosted.
That concludes our Valentine's report. Back to you, Coleman and Ben.
And now to Cloud with the weather, and Todd with the traffic.
Hi, I'm Cloud, and I'm here to talk with you about your weather situation this week here in Honey Grove, Texas. This week is different than any other week. Nationwide, we have lightning storms in the east caused by King Ghidorah, 100-mile-per-hour winds in the north caused by Mothra and Rodan, and earthquakes in the south caused by Godzilla traveling across the country. Here in Texas, there will be a cold front coming in from the north, and locally, here is your 5-day outlook, and we will have the highs in the 50s and the lows in the 30s, with a slight chance of rain each day. Now here's Todd with the traffic report.
Thanks, Cloud. As you can see on our traffic cam, we have some pretty slow traffic on Highway 82. Might be a good idea to take a detour on Highway 56. Watch out for that pesky Godzilla. It should give you a bump on that shiny new car of yours. Anyways, back to you, Ben Coleman.
Very excited about our Warriors athletics. Here to give us an update is Elijah and Angel.
Thank you, guys. My name is Elijah Patterson.
And I'm Angel Gamez.
We're here to update you on HG Warrior Athletics.
Baseball season has officially begun. The Warriors will have a scrimmage this Friday at North Hopkins.
Last year, the baseball team didn't go as far in the playoffs as they hoped, but they are coming for vengeance on February 15th and want to go undefeated this year.
Speaking of baseball, our Lady Warriors softball team did exceptionally well last season and advanced 3 rounds in the playoffs. The Lady Warriors will be playing in the Bonham tournament starting tomorrow through Saturday.
We are looking forward to what baseball and softball have in store for us this season. Now I'll let my colleague Angel give you some information on powerlifting.
Our powerlifting boys and girls are about to compete at their final meets of the regular season in Commerce, hoping to qualify for regionals. The girls will compete on Friday, and the boys will compete on Saturday. Good luck to all the lifters.
And now that it is mid-February, track season is just around the corner. The Warriors and Lady Warriors will compete in their first relays of the season at Rivercrest on February 28th. We wish them luck and hope to have some more state qualifiers this year.
That concludes our sports update. Back to you, Coleman and Ben.
Thank you, Elijah and Angel.
Our special sports reporter, Preston, now has a live interview.
Thanks, Ben and Coleman. Hello, my name is Preston Clockgather, and welcome to the Sports Special News Report. Today we have a special guest. Welcome, Tiana, one of the track people this year at Honey Grove High School. We have some questions for you today. How long have you been in track?
Since I was in 8th grade.
Do you like track?
It's like one of my favorite sports, I guess.
Would you recommend track to anyone else?
Yeah.
And back to you, Coleman and Ben.
Well, that concludes our morning update here on Warrior News 27.
Thanks for tuning in, and we hope you have a great Warrior Day.